What's up guys, it's Sean with Optimized Nurse. So today I'm going to talk to you about how to achieve more with less. This is another idea from James Clear in his book Atomic Habits. And if you ever read that book, it is packed with so many good ideas. And I'm going to share one with you right now. He says, imagine you're holding a garden hose that is bent in the middle. Some of the water can flow through, but not very much. If you want to increase the rate at which the water passes through the hose, you have two options. First option is to crank the valve and force the water out. The second option is to simply remove the bend in the hose and let the water flow naturally. Trying to pump your motivation to stick with a hard habit is like trying to force water through a bent hose. You can do it, but it requires a lot of effort and it increases tension in your life. Meanwhile, making your habit simple and easy is like removing the bend out of the hose. Rather than trying to overcome the friction of your life, you reduce it. Man, I really love that idea and that visual, just because it's such a good demonstration of the another side of the story that we don't really talk about that much. Is like, we all know that we want to have high motivation if we want to reach our goals. You know, I even did a video on the motivation equation by Pierce Steele. I'll put a link to that down in the video description. But this also highlights the other side of the story, which is priming our environment. And the key with priming our environment is to make it easy to do the right thing. The challenge is, on the good days, we can jump right over obstacles, and that's no problem. That's when our motivation is high and everything's working good. But the key here is, with priming our environment, is we're going to use that motivation to remove obstacles that are along our path so that we can show up well even on our bad days. This is the essence of making your best your baseline. And when you hear people say, using your willpower wisely to install habits that run on autopilot, this is how you do that. And let's remove the kink out of our water hose and optimize our lives. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.